Hello, wonderful viewers. I'm thrilled to be back with another heartwarming tale. Today's story is about a bird with one leg, and I'm sure it's going to warm your hearts as much as it did mine. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. Hello, my fantastic viewers. I'm thrilled to be back with another heartwarming tale. Today's story is about a bird with one leg, and I'm sure it's going to warm your hearts as much as it did mine. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful bird who had something unique about her. She only had one leg. People couldn't help but stare at her when she flew around the park every day. They would whisper about her, making her feel like she was different from the others. She couldn't help but feel sad and alone in this world where everyone seemed to have two legs. One day, as she sat on a tree branch and looked around at her fellow feathered friends playing together happily, she felt an overwhelming sense of loneliness. She wondered why she couldn't be like them. She wanted to sing songs like them or do anything that they were doing. But the biggest question of all, why does she have only one leg? As she sat there pondering these questions, an idea struck her suddenly. She remembered that birds start off their lives with just one leg, and then grow another one later on in their lives. That meant it wasn't an accident or a mistake that made her unique. Instead, it was part of her natural journey through life. This realization brought her a sense of relief and acceptance that she had been desperately searching for all this time. It turned out that the bird wasn't so different after all. It was just part of the natural cycle of life that made each bird unique in its own way, irrespective of the number of legs they had. This realization gave the bird a newfound sense of belonging in the world around her. And that concludes our story for today about finding acceptance amid differences, not just for birds but for all living creatures out there. We all have our own unique traits that make us special in our own ways. Let's celebrate our differences instead of letting them make us feel different. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey today. If you enjoyed this story and found it relatable, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more such inspiring tales. Until next time, take care and stay strong everyone. God bless you all.